means a small increase in the investment in the economy gets multiplied to propagate a large value of income. So in simple, if a small increase in the investment lead to a multiple increase in the income of the people in the economy. So this is to be multiplier. So then we also have a formula to calculate multiplier. Then it is symbolically stated as K. K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. So here MPC is a factor which decides the amount of multiplier in the economy. So MPC is marginal propensity to consume. So K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. Then you must need to know what is MPC. MPC is nothing but the change in consumption divided by change in income. What is the proportion of change in consumption to change in income of the people? It is said to be MPC. This is MPC. Okay. So here we have a investment and aggregate income table given to understand the working of the multiplier. Now here we have 4 components in this multiplier table. Multiplier period and initial investment in millions of rupees, then increase in consumption through income in millions of rupees, and total increase in aggregate income in millions of rupees. So here, basically, in the multiplier period 0, the investment is 10 million rupees. 10 million rupees. Then increase in the consumption through income is nil in the first period. Then here the total increase in the aggregate income. Total increase in the aggregate income is also there. Then the initial investment made is going to penetrate slowly into the economy. It is based on MPC. Okay. Then here in the first multiplier period, if a businessman invests another 10 million rupees, then we can observe a increase in the consumption through the income, that is 5 million rupees. Then together it becomes 15 million rupees. The total increase in the aggregate income will be 15 million rupees. Then in the second multiplier period, if the businessman invests another 10 million rupees, then again the increase in the consumption through income also keeps on increasing. That is, the additional 2.5 million rupees will add. So altogether, the total increase in the aggregate income will be 17.5 million rupees. So again, in the different multiplier periods, that is 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7. Then we can observe here a increase in the consumption through income. Like in the third period, it is 1.25. In the fourth period, it is 0.625. In the fifth period, every year it will be additional increase. It will be there. So not interest. It will like the amount of money is going to be penetrating on the base of the MPC. Assume that MPC is 0.5. So here at the base of the MPC level, there will be an increase in the consumption in the consumption for the income. Okay. So here in the fourth period, when the additional 10 million rupees come into the economy, the additional income generated is 0.625. So altogether it is 19.375. Then again in the fifth multiplier period, again 10 million rupees comes in. Then here the proportion of the income increase in the consumption to income is 0.312. So again, income is increase. Yeah, increase in the income is 0.312. So here that is altogether is going to be 19.68. Then in the sixth multiplier period, when again 10 million rupees is invested to the businessman, then it will add 0.156. Together it is 19.844 million rupees. Then in the seventh multiplier period, another 10 million rupees investment will lead to increase in the income about 0.75 million rupees. Then altogether it will be 19.92 million rupees. the income will start manipulating. Then it will start to get distributed among different factors. For example, for the payment of labor. Okay, labor will be paid wage or salaries. Okay. Then payment of raw materials. For the payment of raw materials. And then to purchase the machinery. Like that, the amount of money is getting distributed. That is basically penetration of the investment. Then it will be leading to increase in the income of the people. So here, for example, assume that if 10 million rupees is invested, it will create the demand for laborer and for the factory building, as well as it also create demand for machinery. Then goods and services will produce, and in the economy the employment is created, the demand for goods also created. Okay. So that is here we have multiple times there is a every time the capital is keep on coming in, then there will be a additional demand for labor, additional demand for machinery, additional demand for raw materials is created, additional demand for land is created. So it will start to multiply in the economy. Okay, that is every time when investment is coming in means the demand for different types of goods, different types of factors will arise. Okay, so in this way the economy will start to create multiple level of income as the investment increases. Okay, so this is an example. So here the increase in the income, in the aggregate income, when investment increases, it depends on what? The multiplier. Okay, so here the formula we have K is equal to 1 by 1 is MPC. Then if assume MPC is equal to 0.5 R 1 by 2, then the multiplier will be 2. That is K is equal to 1 by 1 minus half or 0.5. 1 by half is equal to 2. So here we have the calculation for the multiplier through MPC. So the value of MPC is 0, the value of multiplier is 1. Because we can make a calculation 1 by 1 minus 0. So 0 will not be done anything. So 1 by 1 is equal to 1 only. So here when the value of MPC is 0, the value of the multiplier will be 1. So 0, when it is 0.5 means it becomes 2 on the basis of this calculation. Then when the value of MPC is 0.75 or I can say 3 by 4, the value of the multiplier will be 4 in the economy. Then if it is 0.8, the value of the multiplier will be 5. The MPC is 0.9, the value of the multiplier will be 10. Then if the value of MPC is 1, the value of multiplier will be infinite. Infinite in the sense it is unimaginable. So that's how we can calculate the value of the multiplier through the value of MPC. So here we can say that MPC is one of the significant factor in working of the multiplier. Okay. So this is about the working of the multiplier. Then in the next class we can see the propagation of income through multiplier, and also we can see the leakages in the multiplier. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me.